Hello, people. Welcome to my channel. I see many people making bad decisions while buying a smartphone. They spend sometimes less when they needed more from a device, and sometimes more when they need very less output from their phone. So, considering these scenarios, I have decided to launch this YouTube channel, which will help you people to make decisions based on your needs and liking. So, let's start today's discussion of a device. Today, we will talk about the Google Pixel 6a. This device was launched in July 2022. So it has been almost 3 years. This is a Google budget phone which was launched at a price of $449. Today, we will analyze deeply whether we should consider this phone by looking at the specs and our experience with this device, which will help you to make a decision whether you should consider it buying new or second-hand. Firstly, let's talk about the design. It has the traditional looking Google design having a horizontal camera module. From front, it has the dew drop notch. It comes in 3 colors. It has Gorilla Glass 3 protection on the front. Pixel 6a has an aluminum frame and a plastic back. It looks like glass on the back, but it is basically plastic. It comes with little bezels all around, but it is not that much thick that bothers you that much. It looks fine. Design is personal preference, but it looks good to majority people. The display part. Google Pixel 6a has an OLED 6.1 inches display. It supports Widevine L1 certification. And that is a good part. You can have HDR video playback across all platforms including YouTube and Netflix. The display colors are sharp and accurate, so you don't have problems regarding the display. Viewing angles are also good. Also, if you consume a lot of multimedia, you will not be disappointed from this display. Always on display is also available on this device. Fingerprint sensor is available for security. Its accuracy is also fine after the update. The display's peak brightness is around 800 nits. So in normal harsh lights, visibility will be normal, but in extreme lighting conditions, you may suffer from display visibility. Google Pixel 6a contains the Google Tensor G1 chipset. It is basically an improved version of Exynos 2100. Its performance is also decent. It gives an Antutu score of around 700 to 800,000. It has 6GB LPDDR5 RAM and 128GB UFS 3.1, which helps in smooth multitasking. It has a powerful chipset, but it throttles sometimes in extreme usage and in extreme weather, like shooting a 4K 60fps video in direct sunlight. It is also not recommended for hardcore gamers, although it will provide smooth 60fps gameplay on most games, but it warms up on continuous hardcore gaming.
Now, this is the part where things go in direct favor of this device. This device was launched with Android 12 and it has already got 3 major software updates. It is expected that it will get 5 years of major Android and security updates. So there are high chances that this device will get Android 17 in the upcoming future. It has clean stock Android which is running without bugs. It also comes with Titan M2 chip which is useful for security, and it creates an additional security layer. So regarding software, this device is still future-proof. Now coming to its battery, it has 4410 mAh battery, which is decent. It will easily complete 1 day on a full charge with normal day-to-day usage. It basically gives 5 to 6 hours of screen on time. But in extreme phone usage cases like gaming or shooting video on high resolutions, it drains battery more quickly. It has a charging speed of 18 watts, and also it does not support wireless charging, so keep that in mind. Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.2, NFC, all these features are available. 5G is also available on this phone, which future-proofs this device. Wi-Fi speeds are fine. Call quality and network reception is also fine, and there is no complaint on that. Now, heading over to the cameras, it contains the same Sony IMX363 sensor. This is also a part where this device completely dominates. It has 12.2 megapixels main and 12 megapixels ultra-wide camera on the back, and an 8 megapixel selfie.
If we talk about the photos are decent from the main and ultra-wide sensors. Pictures capture enough details and look real. It keeps skin tone natural. All the magic is in the post-processing of this device. Portraits are also good. Sometimes there is noise in the picture or a problem in edge detection of the subject in portraits. Otherwise, the portraits are decent. Low light photography is also decent. Much detail is captured and the picture looks nice. In other words, it is a very consistent performing camera. 8 megapixels on the front looks less, and it seems that picture might not get that much good. But thanks to pixel post-processing, selfies are also capable and are decent considering the 8 MP sensor. It struggles in dim light and may contain noise in the image. Now talking about the video, it is capable of maximum 4K 60 FPS recording from the main sensor. It comes with OIS and the video looks and feels stable. The clarity in the video is also good. We can also change the sensor from main to wide while shooting the footage. The selfie sensor can shoot a maximum of 1080p video. The stabilization is also not that good like the rear sensors, but it is also okay. So summing up the camera, it is the best camera phone you will get in 2025 in this budget. Now talking about some other features of this device, it is lightweight, around 178 grams. There is only one physical SIM and one eSIM support. There is no audio jack, so keep it in mind before buying. It has stereo speakers, IP67 water and dust resistance is available, which is good in this price segment. 1080p slow motion video is also available. It has LTE support. Now let's conclude by examining which audience is targeted by this device. First of all, if you are a person who wants a premium flagship experience and you consume a lot of multimedia, or if you want performance that all your tasks should be completed smoothly and you can do multitasking without hassle, then this device is for you. Also, if you wanted a premium software experience with no bloatware and clean software experience, or if you wanted a device just for cameras, then this device is a very decent option in this price segment. But if you cannot compromise on the screen refresh rate and the slow charging of this device, then this device is not for you. You can explore other devices in the same budget which can provide better features that you need. Okay, so this is it from my side. Hope you would have decided whether you can opt for this device or not. If you really like the video, consider subscribing to this channel and like this video so that I can bring more videos like this to you. I will meet you with some other device in the next video. Until then, goodbye.